Welcome. If you've ever wanted to show your friends what you're playing on Roblox, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to share your current experience with friends on Roblox using your PC. This update makes it easier than ever to let your friends know exactly what game you're enjoying, so let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head straight to the Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're on the Roblox homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on the gear icon to open up your account settings. Now, in the settings menu, you'll see several options on the left-hand side. Find and click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This section is where you control who can see your activity and what information is visible to others. Inside the privacy settings, scroll down until you find the Visibility and Private Servers section. Here's where the magic happens. Click on Visibility to open up your visibility options. You'll see a few choices for who can view your current experience. To share your activity with just your friends, select the option labeled Friends. This means only people you've added as friends on Roblox will be able to see what game you're currently playing. After you select Friends, your settings will automatically update. There's no need to save. Roblox does it for you. Now, whenever you jump into a new experience, your friends will see it right away on their end. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've made it easy for your friends to keep up with your Roblox adventures. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can do the same. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!